Have you ever wondered why people in the Mediterranean region seem to have a longer and healthier life? It all ties back to their diet, a harmonious blend of fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and of course the star of the show, olive oil. Olive oil is not just a mere ingredient in the Mediterranean kitchen, it's a staple, a tradition, a legacy passed down through generations. A journey into the past reveals the importance of this liquid gold. Olive oil's history intertwines with the Mediterranean culture dating back to ancient civilizations. They revered it, used it in religious rituals, medicine, and daily life. The Greeks even coined it as the great healer. This liquid gold was not just a commodity but a symbol of wealth, power, and prosperity. It was a life force that fueled the Mediterranean region and still continues to do so. So what exactly makes olive oil, this liquid gold, such a treasure trove of health benefits? Olive oil is more than just a food ingredient, it's a medicinal wonder. This liquid gold is brimming with heart-healthy fats, known as monounsaturated fats, that play a crucial role in reducing harmful cholesterol levels and increasing the good ones. It's like a trusty shield protecting your heart from diseases. What's more, olive oil is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. It contains oleocanthal, a potent compound that works similarly to ibuprofen, helping to alleviate inflammation and pain. Imagine having a natural painkiller right in your kitchen, but the magic doesn't stop there. Olive oil is loaded with antioxidants, those mighty warriors that fight off harmful free radicals in your body. These antioxidants can help prevent cellular damage and ward off chronic diseases, including cancer. And the cherry on top, regular consumption of olive oil can help in reducing the risk of developing chronic diseases like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. But that's not all. Olive oil also has some lesser-known benefits. Beyond the well-known benefits, olive oil has some hidden gems that make it even more valuable. Let's unearth these treasures, shall we? First off, olive oil is a friend to your bones. It assists in absorbing calcium and can significantly improve bone health, particularly in those affected by osteoporosis. Next up, your digestive system. Olive oil aids digestion, acting as a lubricant and making the entire process smoother. But wait, there's more. Your skin will thank you for using olive oil. It's packed with antioxidants and vitamins that give your skin a healthy glow. Now brace yourself for this one. Olive oil could be a secret weapon for your brain. Studies suggest it can boost brain health and slow down the aging process, keeping you sharp and witty. Now that you know the benefits, you might be wondering how to incorporate olive oil into your diet. Incorporating olive oil into your diet is simpler than you might think. Let's begin with your cooking routine. Olive oil is a versatile companion in the kitchen. You can replace your regular cooking oils with it, whether you're sautéing vegetables or grilling a piece of fish. The high smoke point of olive oil ensures that it retains its health properties even when heated. Now, let's talk about salads. Drizzle a generous amount of olive oil over your fresh greens, and they not only become tastier but also healthier. The oil helps your body absorb the nutrients from the vegetables more effectively. And here's a morning ritual you might want to adopt. Start your day with a tablespoon of raw olive oil. It's a potent antioxidant shot that can help kickstart your metabolism and give your body a healthy start. So, are you ready to embrace the liquid gold and give your health a Mediterranean boost?